Hi everyone, my name is Delaney. This is Kaylee. We're going to be doing a 20-minute Vinyasa practice that you can do in the comfort of your own home. So we'll start seated. Let's take a deep breath in, lift your arms up over your head, take your gaze up, and then exhale, gently seal your palms together and draw your hands in towards your heart, gently bowing your chin towards your chest, closing your eyes, and drawing your attention inward for your practice today. Let's take another deep breath in, lifting the arms back up over the head, blink the eyes open, look toward the thumbs. Exhale, gently drifting the left arm down, stretching the right arm up and over, big side body stretch here. Look up and underneath your right armpit. External rotation in the right upper arm. Inhale, lifting the arms back up toward the sky, big stretch. Exhale, drifting over to the other side, opening through the left rib cage. Inhale, lifting back up toward the sky, lifting both arms, lifting your gaze. Exhale, take a gentle twist, bring your right hand towards your outer left thigh, look over your left shoulder. Inhale, lifting tall through the crown. Exhale, twisting deeply. Inhale, let's come back to center, lifting both arms up. Exhale, taking it to the other side, reaching left hand for the outer right thigh, looking over the right shoulder. Inhale, get a little taller. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Inhale, come back to center, lifting the arms up over the head, bringing the hands together, interlace the fingers. Shine the palms toward the sky, push the biceps behind you, tuck your chin in toward your chest. Take a deep breath in, get a little taller, and exhale, let it go. Let's come onto hands and knees, bringing the hands underneath the shoulders, the knees underneath the hips. Spread your fingertips really wide, press evenly through the palms of the hands. Let's take an inhale, gaze forward, bring your heart forward, open through your throat. As you exhale, round through your spine, lift the back of the heart, spread through the shoulder blades. Two more like that, deep breath in, gaze forward, heart forward, draw your shoulders back. Exhale, round through your spine, create space between each and every vertebrae. Good, inhale, come to a neutral position with your spine, lengthen the crown forward. And then as you exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, coming into our first downward facing dog. Feel free to pedal out the legs, feeling a stretch through the hamstrings, bending one knee at a time. Bringing awareness into your entire body, allowing your breath to flow freely. And then dropping both heels down toward the earth, spreading your fingertips. On your inhale, come high on the balls of the feet, float into plank pose. Here, feel free to drop your knees. And then as you exhale, gently lower the belly all the way down onto the floor, squeezing your elbows in towards your rib cage. Untuck your toes, squeeze your ankles together. On your inhale, lift your chest, roll your shoulders back, feel space in your heart. Exhale, gently lower. Let's do two more like that. Low Cobra Bhujangasana. Lift the chest, roll the shoulders back lightly, squeeze the elbows in toward one another. Exhale, gently lower. Good, last time, inhale. Feeling space in the upper chest. Maybe you hover the hands. Exhale, gently lower. Good, on the inhale, push into hands and knees. And then on the exhale, child's pose. Bring the knees nice and wide, break big toes together, press your chest down, and then gently bring the forehead to the floor. Inhale, coming back onto all fours, planting the palms evenly. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward facing dog. Big stretch through the spine. Let's take an inhale, lift the right leg to the sky, bending the knees, stack the hips, open out through right hip flexor. Inhale, big stretch, right leg goes to the sky. Exhale, knee to nose, gaze forward, gently step through. Right foot falls in between hands. Drop your back knee down, untuck your toes. Let your hips sink down towards your right heel, feel the stretch through your hip. And then when you're ready, inhale, lifting the arms up over the head. Wrists over shoulders, shoulders over hips. Get spacious in the upper chest, but draw the low ribs in. Take another deep inhale. Exhale, both hands come to the floor, frame the front foot. Tuck the back toes, lift the back knee off the floor, lighting up through the back thigh. Plug the left hand down, bring the right hand to the right thigh, roll the right shoulder open and look up. Feel a gentle twist ripple up through the spine, and even here, draw the low ribs in and engage the navel. When you're ready, inhale, lifting the right arm toward the sky. Really extending here, take a deep inhale. Exhale, bring your right hand down, framing the front foot. On the inhale, gaze forward, bring your heart forward. On your exhale, both arms reach back, hover the chest over your right thigh, light up through the right leg, and then on your inhale, rise up to high crescent pose, little bend in the back knee. And if this is too much of a balance for you, you can drop your back knee down. Soften the shoulders. Let's take another inhale. Exhale, bring both hands to the floor. Frame the front foot. We're gonna step forward. Bring the left foot to meet the right at the very top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, palms to shins, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward fold here. Good, inhale, arms to a T, reverse your swan dive, come all the way up. Exhale, bring your hands together and in front of your heart. Inhale, lift your arms, lift your gaze. Exhale, forward fold, lead with the heart, hinge from your hips. Inhale, halfway lift, palms to shins. And then on your exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Good, plant your palms, bend your knees, step your right leg way back. Step your left leg way back, come into plank. Let's take a deep breath in. And then as you exhale, feel free to drop your knees as you lower halfway down, chaturanga, elbows squeeze in toward rib cage. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog, lift the chest, roll the shoulders back. Exhale, downward dog, lift the hips to the sky, get long through your spine. Let's take a deep breath in and a long breath out here. Inhale, lift the left leg to the sky. Bending the knees, stack the hips, open out through that left hip flexor. And then inhale, big stretch. Exhale, knee to nose, look at the thumbs, and gently step forward. Good. Drop the back knee down, sink the hips down toward that left heel. Inhale, get light in the fingertips, lifting the arms up over the head, big stretch. Good, exhale, bringing the hands back down to the earth, frame the front foot. Tuck the back toes, lift the back knee off the floor, rooting down with that right hand, and then bringing the left hand on top of the thigh. Really establishing your twist from the ground up, finding the connection with the feet, a nice foundation with the legs, and then lifting up, rolling left shoulder behind you. When you feel ready, lifting the left arm up. Deep breath in, find that expansion. Exhale, bringing the left hand down, frame the foot. Good, and then inhale, heart forward. Exhale, bringing both arms behind you. Really finding the strength and the heat build in that left leg. And then inhale, rising all the way up. Lifting the chest, lifting the heart. Little bend in the back knee. Maybe dropping it all the way down if you need that extra support. Taking an inhale. And then exhale, bringing both hands to the floor, framing the foot, stepping forward. Right foot meets the left at the top. Inhale, halfway lift, palms to shins. Exhale to fold. Good, come all the way up, inhale. Lift up, look up, big stretch. Exhale, bring your hands together and in front of your heart. Inhale, lifting the arms, lifting the gaze. Exhale, forward fold, taking it out and down. Little bend in the knees if you need to. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Good, bend the knees, plant the palms. Step your left leg back. Step your right leg back. Come to plank. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lowering halfway or all the way. Use the knees if you need to. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward dog, lift the hips to the sky. Good. Take a deep breath in through the nose here. And an open mouth exhale to let it out. Inhale, come high on the balls of the feet. Exhale, bend the knees, gaze forward, tiptoe, step, walk, hop your way all the way to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Good. Bring your feet together, bend your knees, take your arms up overhead, coming into chair pose. As you lift your chest, roll your shoulders back. Sit a little further down. You might look down, make sure you can see your toes, your knees aren't jetting too far forward. Drawing your knees together, and then finding that same external rotation in the upper arms so you can open your chest. Take another inhale here. Exhale, sit a little lower. Good. Inhale, big stretch, straighten the legs. Lift up, look up, maybe lean back slightly. And exhale, forward fold, let it all go. Good. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step your left leg way back. Good. Anchor it down to a 45-degree angle. We're gonna come into warrior two. As we windmill the arms out and open, looking for that heel to arch alignment with the feet. And as you bend the front knee, finding the front knee directly over the front ankle. Draw the shoulders down, feel the shoulder blades relax. Letting the gaze float over that front middle finger, nice and soft here. And then on the inhale, gently flipping the front palm, coming into peaceful warrior, stretching the right arm up and back. Lightly floating the left fingertips down the back side of the left leg. And just yawning, open that right side body, right rib cage. Take another inhale. Exhale, coming forward. Let's prop the right forearm on top of the right quad. Lifting the left arm up and over the head. Big side body stretch here. All the way from that left pinky toe to the left fingertips. Same external rotation in that left arm. Soften the jaw, soften the face. Let's take another inhale. And one more exhale here. Good. Inhale, coming back up to warrior two. Let's straighten the front leg. Good. Shorten the stance a little bit, maybe 2 or 3 inches, finding more stability. Both legs are straight. Shift the left hip back, reach forward with the right fingertips, and then down to the ankle or shin. Lift the left arm up toward the sky. Gently draw the shoulder blades together in Trikonasana, finding buoyancy in the left side body as you lift, and finding extension in the right side body here. Take another inhale. One more exhale. Good. Inhale takes you all the way back up. Bring your hands to your hips. Circle the right toes in so all 10 toes are facing the left side of your mat. Take a deep breath in, lift your chest, roll your shoulders back. And then exhale, big fold. As you dive forward, lead with the heart and the chin. Bring the hands to the floor underneath you. On your inhale, halfway lift. On your exhale, forward fold. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Good. Last time, breathing in and breathing out. Good. Circling the body back over to the right leg, point the right toes forward, come onto the ball of the back foot. We'll pause here. You can reach your hands forward about 6 inches or so. Let's bring the fingertips to the floor. Launch off your back leg, lifting it to a 90-degree angle, coming into a warrior 3 prep. So you can be bending your right knee, circle the outer left hip toward the floor, lengthen the crown of the head forward, and imagine you're making a footprint on the back wall with your left leg. Stay here, if this is enough for you. If you want a little bit of challenge, you're gonna gently float your right hand, your left hand above the floor, maybe bringing your hands together in front of your heart, coming into your warrior 3. So again, feel free to keep your hands on the floor, otherwise floating your fingertips up and towards your heart center, pausing here. Breathing for 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna release the hands down, release the left foot down next to the right foot. Big forward fold, awesome job. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Good, let's step the right leg way back. Anchor it to a 45-degree angle and come up into warrior 2. Bringing the shoulders over the hips. Front knee over directly over that front ankle, and then gazing softly over that left middle finger. On the inhale, flipping the front palm, coming into peaceful warrior. Big stretch for the left side body, left rib cage. Keeping that front knee bending deeply, strongly. Inhale. Exhale, coming forward and down, prop the left forearm on top of the quad. Lift the right arm up and over the head. Big side body stretch. Again, all the way from the right pinky toe to the right fingertips. Finding a little more space in the heart with every inhale. Maybe going a little bit deeper with every exhale. Inhale, come back up. Warrior 2. Let's straighten the front leg, shorten the stance a little bit. Front heel lines up with the back arch. Shift the right hip back, reach forward with the left fingertips, and then down to the ankle or shin, lifting the right arm toward the sky. Gather the shoulder blades, spread through the collarbones. You can be gazing up or down here, whatever is comfortable for your neck, as long as you don't compromise the length in the spine. Let's take another breath in. One more breath out. Inhale, come back up. Good, bring your hands to your hips. Circle your left toes in, all 10 toes facing the right side of your mat now. Inhale, lift the chest, roll the shoulders back, maybe a little back bend. And then as you exhale, hinge from the hips and dive forward in a wide-legged fold. Bring the hands underneath you. Let the spine spill over like a waterfall here. Maybe you close your eyes. Let it feel relaxing. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Good, just once this time. Let's swing the body over to the left, point the left toes forward, come into your runner's lunge. So we're on the ball of the back foot. Now walk the hands 6 inches forward, come onto the finger pads, launch off the back leg, lift it up 90 degrees, flex the back foot, roll the outer right hip down, maybe a little bend in your left knee. The gaze is soft. Now you can keep your hands on the floor, or with a flat back and a strong core, you can begin to hover your hands, maybe bringing the hands together in front of the heart and lifting the chest up slightly in warrior 3. For 3, 2, you got this. And 1, release the hands down, release the right foot down. Good, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Last time, inhale, let's come to standing. Lift up, look up. And palms come together and in front of the heart. Good, thank you so much for practicing with us today. Namaste.